Do you know many people are having trouble with adding emails to their Sharp printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Address Book. Tap the Address Book key on the control panel of your Sharp MX-2651 printer. Step 2. Select Add New. Select the option to add a new contact or destination by tapping Add New. Step 3. Input email address. Enter the email address using the touch panel keyboard and ensure accuracy. Step 4. Save the entry. Confirm and save the new email entry by tapping Save or OK. Step 5. Verify entry. Verify that the new email address is listed in the address book for future scanning. Now you can easily set up and add email addresses for scanning on your Sharp MX-2651. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sharp users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.